everyone, it's Jamie Coffin at Finch Hyundai, and here's a vehicle. It needs a home. This is a 2017 Toyota Corolla SE package. It's got forward collision avoidance, a backup camera. It's got lane departure warning system. This is a one-owner car, no accidents. I spoke to Chris Lattis, the sales representative that took this on trade, and he vouched that the previous owner took exceptional care of this car. It was her baby, and this car could be yours. It needs a home. It only has 18,000 kilometers on it, and it's retailing for $17,988. This car is an absolute beauty. It needs to be driven. It needs a home, and all you've got to do is call Jamie Coffin, and we'll set you up with an appointment, and we'll get this car in your driveway, and you will not regret it. It's Toyota quality at its best. It needs a home.